Hello guys, and welcome to another UK Card Club card review video. Today we're going to be reviewing the Oculus deck. Now this is from midnightcards.com, printed by the Expert Playing Card Company out in Taiwan. It's interesting, it's very cool, isn't it? See those dots there in the white? Probably can't see because of the reflections, but I'll get into it shortly. Produced by Mike Wilson, the Dock 318, designed by Randy Butterfield. So designed and produced by different people. Printed in Taiwan by the Expert Playing Card Company, midnightcards.com, printed by the Expert Playing Card Company. Now that looks pretty mental. So we're in, no seal. Perfect for me. Ooh, now I'm presuming this puzzle piece here is Mike Wilson's logo because it's the Dock 318. It looks a bit like a doctor's glasses. It says 318. It's like a glossy finish. And inside there, there's a little logo. I think it's the Expert Playing Card Company logo. Let's have a look at the deck. Joker here, a little octagon shape, couple of white lines in this one, like a two-tone orange lines, and then a blue. Same again, exactly the same, but with Joker written in red instead of blue. That same logo again in the center of the ace here. Printed in Taiwan by the Expert Playing Card Company, designed by Midnight Cards. Blue with the little dots in it continues up into the indices, and it's all obviously around the center of the ace. Now, I like the fact they've had a textured patterned back. Obviously not textured to feel, but adds a bit of depth to the design. I really like that midnight blue pips and indices here. So custom faces, custom card faces. It's not just a plain white background, and the indices and pips are in a really cool shade of blue with those dots going through them. The royalty, look at that. That's fantastic. Yeah, really unique. It's kind of, I've sort of discovered a thing called trypophobia. It's where you're like freaked out by holes, and this is kind of freaking me out a little bit looking at it. But I appreciate it for how beautiful it is. Into the reds. Now it's interesting they've kept that sort of blue tinged background, but then had the red onto that. So that's still pretty cool. Oh, you would have thought maybe they would have done a red, but they haven't. Very nice. The red royalty. Ah, it is still blue, but it has this sort of reddish tinged circular center part. And then it's obviously got the red indices. So it's not distinguishably red, but it has that sort of, it's kind of gone brown. You know, blue and red makes like a browny colour. It's a bit weird, but you can see a real difference there, which is quite handy. And obviously the bright red indices would be a giveaway. So continuing through. Yeah, it's that sort of stain brown coffee ring sort of colour in the centre there, but the design's still very beautiful. Then at the back you have no other cards. Oh, interesting. Looking at the back design here, I love the blue and the red. They're both very at the peak of that colour scale, if that makes sense. So like the blue is very, very blue in areas and very dark in the others, and the red again is very dark in some areas, very light in other places. It's sort of like, it's not washed out, it's not faded, it's not like a really pale or really dark anywhere. It's just like optimum brightness on that scale. Makes for a cool looking fan. Yeah, it looks awesome. Be interesting to see how it looks. Yeah, that looks beautiful. Really like that. Handling. It's almost like motion blur. Very, very nice. Handles pretty great. I've had some from the Expert Playing Card Company that weren't overly perfect, but these seem fairly great. No real issues with handling or clumping together. They look fantastic. The colours are incredible. Yeah, I'm really impressed. So there we have it. The Oculus playing cards from midnightcards.com. Printed by the Expert Playing Card Company, and are very, very, very nice. Now, I think these were really quite cheap as well. Very accessible deck. I've seen it in stock in a few places, so yeah, get yourself out there and get one. Thoroughly recommend it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time when we'll be reviewing something else. Take care.